More than 300 complaints were made against estate agents and other property service providers last year, a sharp rise of 28% compared to 2024, Amy Malloy reports. Figures from the Property Services Regulatory Authority show 304 complaints were processed in 2025. However, the vast majority, or 213, required no further action, either because no improper conduct was found or the issue fell outside the regulator's remit. Just 13 cases were formally investigated by the PSRA. Improper conduct was identified in 9 of those, resulting in minor sanctions such as warnings or cautions. 60 complaints remain under assessment, while 14 were withdrawn and 4 are currently under appeal. Many of the complaints centred on dissatisfaction with service, along with concerns about bidding practices, advertising, tenancy matters and agents retaining client funds. The PSRA says it cannot reveal which firms were the subject of complaints, describing that information as commercially sensitive. The latest figures compare with 237 complaints in 2024, when 32 cases resulted in minor sanctions. And in a previous high-profile case, a Wicklow estate agent was fined €10,000 after withdrawing money from a €50,000 booking deposit before contracts were finalised. The regulator has the power to impose sanctions ranging from cautions to licence suspensions and fines of up to €250,000. The rise in complaints comes amid continued pressure in Ireland's property market.